Your Excellency, Dr. Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah, the President of the Republic of Namibia and the Commander-in-Chief of the Namibian Defense Force, Governor is form up and ready for inspection. Reporting, Captain Paulus Kojo Nangolo, Governor Commander. Your Excellency. Your Excellency, may I have your permission to join the Guard? Your Excellency.
At this point in time, I will now just clear the delegation here so that you can comfortably see how these vehicles are entering the aircraft. With your vehicles.
Why these people, they
Two vehicles are command vehicles, and then the last vehicle, which is a modified land cruiser, can be effectively used in the combat. Also, with these vehicles, you can still have troops that are seated on the sides.
Swallowed the cars.
Swallowed.
The cars are swallowed.
This is the configuration of transporting injured or sick personnel or troops. Yeah, these are the stretchers. They are in the military form, but it is sufficient to get somebody who's injured to the nearest hospital or somebody who's sick to the nearest hospital. And it takes up to 72 stretchers. Yes. Your Excellency.
The Prime Minister's department.
This is the Prime Minister's. The Prime Minister seeing this, I'm sure him and I will be very good friends now.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. At the cost. In the yes. In this format, piloted, the aircraft can be loaded with 20 tons.
20 tons.
20 tons. All of these then, all of these, the aircraft is able to, the aircraft is able to be loaded with 20 tons. And like I've mentioned also earlier in the briefing, when it needs to be airdropped, then it can be 16 tons. 16 tons of this, it is put on the parachutes, and then when the aircraft flies over the point where these items need to be dropped, the ramp opens, and through the mechanisms, these tonnages, they are just then released. The last part of the demonstration then is in the aircraft 1962 Benders. There we will now witness how the troops embark the aircraft and also how they will be seated, fully kitted. Excellency, my humble request that we move to the other aircraft.
Comrade President, on the occasion of your inspection of this beautiful aircraft, we would like to give you this token of appreciation. To keep it in your office, look at it, and admire it. So, Your Excellency, please accept this as a token of appreciation from us, the NDF, for you to find time to come and inspect this beautiful aircraft.
It's an honor for me to work on this beautiful aircraft and being the custodian for this aircraft. Currently we are busy doing our practicals and also doing our second line maintenance here in Namibia.
I feel proud to have this aircraft on our country. As I can see, this aircraft is doing a lot of things. It helps us with carrying cargo, large cargos, like supply dropping, and we can carry also vehicles and the personnel from one area to another, or even from one country to another country. So I feel proud that our government acquired this type of assets.
Namibia needs this type of capability, not just for military purposes, for transporting troops and military equipment, but also to undertake and to support the state in other requirements where the state needs to respond, especially to humanitarian relief situations. You have witnessed just now last month when the Air Force deployed helicopters to those areas that were affected by the floods, or rather by the heavy rainfalls. So it is also in that sense that, that the NDF or that the Air Force needed this type of aircraft. Of course, there are other type of aircraft, but our research has pointed out that due to the ruggedness and robustness of this Y-9E aircraft, it will serve our purpose.